Sajiku, the secret behind that savory taste and how to use it wisely. Breaded fried chicken that is crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Perfectly savory Mendon tempeh. Who doesn't like it? Behind the deliciousness of our practical home cooking, there is a loyal friend in the kitchen, Tapang Bumbu Sajiku. Well, this is the closest and clearest way that Sajiku seasoned flour can be seen with the help of a microscope. When the intensity of the microscope light is reduced, this is what the spice powder looks like a cigarette gray and black color. By the way, have you ever wondered what's actually in this magical powder? How does it deliver such a consistently delicious taste? And most importantly, are there any side effects if we consume it too often? Let's reveal the first secret, its composition. This isn't just ordinary flour. The main ingredients are wheat flour and tapioca. This duo gives the dish its body and crispy texture. Well, this is the heart of the savory flavor, salt and flavor enhancers. These include monosodium glutamate, or MSG, and its siblings, disodium inosonate and guanylate. Their combination creates an explosion of umami flavor that instantly hits the palate. This is sophisticated flavor engineering, folks. But make no mistake, there are also real spices in it. Natural spices like garlic and curry powder. Unfortunately, synthetic flavors are also used to standardize the flavor across millions of packages. So, the dominant garlic flavor comes from a mix of real and artificial flavors. So, to conclude this section, Sajiku is a blend of natural ingredients and modern food engineering to achieve one goal: convenience and consistent taste. But wait a minute. What about its nutritional value? Is it nutritionally empty? Let's read the label carefully. In 16 grams, or about 2 tablespoons, there are 50 kilocalories of energy. For a single serving, that's pretty low. But look at the label on the package. It contains 360 milligrams of sodium or salt. That's already 24% of our daily requirement. Just imagine, if you finish one 75-gram pack for yourself, you will have almost fulfilled 84% of your daily salt quota just from this seasoned flour. This doesn't include salt from side dishes or other foods throughout the day. This is a critical point. The savory flavor we love comes largely from salt and flavor enhancers. So, what does this mean for our bodies if we become addicted to this flavor? Excessive and long-term consumption of high-sodium foods is a major risk factor. Such as high blood pressure or hypertension. This hypertension is a gateway to heart problems and stroke. Second, the basic ingredient is processed wheat flour. Too many refined carbohydrates, especially fried ones, are linked to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and inflammation in the body. Third, these foods are calorie-dense but nutrient-poor. It provides us with energy and a feeling of fullness, but it's very low in the vitamins, minerals, and fiber our cells need to function optimally. So, it's not an absolute prohibition, but a matter of balance and awareness. Well, this is our dilemma. Buying Sajiku is the choice for extreme convenience. We don't have to worry, the price is affordable, and the fried chicken will taste exactly the same next Sunday as it did today. The downside, we give up control over what goes into our bodies. Making your own seasoned flour at home is an option for personal food sovereignty. We can reduce the salt, add turmeric for antioxidants, and use more black pepper. The flavor will be unique and more vibrant, but this takes time, effort, and skill to prepare. So, which is better? There's no absolute answer. It depends on the situation. Busy weekdays? Sajiku is a lifesaver. Have more time on the weekend? Try experimenting with it yourself. The important thing is to be a smart consumer, not just a practical one. So, after revealing all the secrets, what's the conclusion? Sajiku is a brilliant innovation to make our lives easier. But like everything in the modern era, we need to use it wisely and with knowledge. Here are some simple tips for using it more wisely. First, don't add any additional salt when marinating. Second, mix with plain or whole grain flour to reduce sodium intake per bite. Third, add plenty of fresh vegetables and protein to your favorite fried foods. Fourth, explore less oil options if available. And fifth, most importantly, make it a variation, not a daily menu. So cooking is about nourishing and bringing joy to ourselves and our loved ones. By learning more about what we cook, we can make better choices without sacrificing enjoyment. So, the next time you buy Sajiku, you'll know exactly what's in it, its benefits, and its risks. You're in control. If this video has been insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow kitchen goers. Have any tips or recipes for homemade spiced flour? Let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.